it's Brooke with WTI.
If you've been thinking of getting a screen protector, I highly recommend this one by smaate. I love that I'm still using the very first one and I bring my smartwatch with me everywhere. So now I know that I'm protecting my glass from dings, scratches, and dents that are inevitable. I appreciate how easy this was to install. I like that it came with everything that I needed so that I can get it placed on there very quickly and easily. And once it's in place, it stays in place. I'm still using the very first one. This is 1.85 inches and it comes in a pack of 6. I like that it's anti-shatter, this thermoplastic polyurethane. It's also glossy. And the protector has a high sensitivity to touch, so there's no change in function or difficulty after installation. And it tapers down around the edges where the screen protector comes down, and there is no lifting of this screen protector. So if you're looking for an anti-scratch or a way to protect your original screen, I highly recommend this one. It's a high quality product for a great price.
I love this, but that's just my point of view.